that good? That's adorable. Are you happy to be here?
Yes.
Back up some. She is in the dressing room at Build-A-Bear.
He's monkey with a rabbit on his head.
Okay. I guess I'll just keep going.
Oh, look at this one. Are you sure I can take this stuff off?
We did. I hope. Probably fine. I mean, why else would they call it a dressing room? Okay. Okay, you need to get that one. Yeah, that one's the cute one.
So we are making a birth certificate. We're trying to find a name. What name comes to me?
Okay, go for it.
It's finished. This is Frank. He's my new best friend.